Being prudent is being wise. Being prudent is being careful about what you do and what choices you make. For example, wearing your helmet when you ride a bike is a prudent choice. It protects your head and keeps you safe. Being prudent is about making wise decisions based on careful thought and good judgment. Being prudent is all about taking the long term view. It means thinking about possible effects of your actions in the future and then choosing the safest or the most sensible option. Prudent behavior is often characterized by a strategic approach to risk management, where you weigh the pros and cons and then decide through the potential outcomes and then make a logical decision based upon what your reason or foresight says. Let's watch a video to understand this meaning better.
I want a declaration, Roger, so we can send them in.
But, Madam President,
I have the Guard, FEMA, and the EPA mobilized and waiting on the outskirts of that town.
I just got off the phone with the refinery. The leak is well on its way to burning off.
My understanding is that the air quality is dangerous.
The levels are somewhat elevated, yes, but the winds are in our favor.
And subject to change. That's how wind works.
This will all be over in a day or two. The idea of keeping these families out of their homes.
This is a prudent precaution. And on my watch, that's what I want to happen.
I don't think we should exaggerate the situation.
This is a prudent precaution. This is a sensible precaution as it ensures safety and avoids unnecessary risks. Think of prudent in terms of its synonyms: cautious, wise, discreet, circumspect. Let's understand the different forms in which we can use this word. The most common form is the adjective prudent. It describes someone who makes wise, careful decisions. The noun form prudence refers to the quality of being prudent. Lastly, the adverb form prudently describes an action done with care and thought. Let's have some more examples to understand the meaning of the word prudent. It was a prudent decision to save money for future emergencies. She took prudent measures to avoid any potential health hazards. The leader's prudent remarks helped calm the volatile situation. In all these examples, we are using the word prudent in its adjective form. Next, we move on to the noun prudence. With prudence, she managed her finances to avoid debt. His prudence in handling sensitive information earned him respect. The project was undertaken with utmost prudence. Next, what we have is the adverb prudently. He prudently decided not to comment without knowing all the facts. She invested her money prudently, seeking advice from experts. The budget was prudently managed, avoiding any unnecessary expenses. To summarize, prudent means making wise decisions based on careful thought and good judgment. It involves considering the long-term effect of your actions and choosing the safest or the most sensible option. Whether it's managing money, handling delicate situations, or even just wearing a helmet while biking. Being prudent ensures that you're prepared and protected in life. Remember, prudent is the adjective, prudence is the noun, and prudently is the adverb.